Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. So guys, in this video I will tell you one very good opportunity coming from ordinary school for the role of data science guys. And many of you are knowing that the demand of data science day by day increasing, and there are multiples of job opening in the career platform. So in this video guys, I will recommend you one best platform to learn this skill along with placement assistant. It means guys they will teach you, train you, and after that placed you. Okay, so what are the required qualification and skills, everything we will discuss in detail. So let's start. So as you can see guys, ordinary school data science courses, join, learn, get IS live bootcamp with placement assistant. Okay, means guys live bootcamp means in case if you have any doubts and query, you can clear it out in live session also. Okay, and in Google guys 4.7 rating is there out of 5, so you can check out this platform is also trusted by many student. Okay, and here's some highlights they have mentioned like live instructor, lead bootcamp and job readiness in 6 months. So duration for this bootcamp is only 6 months. In this 6 month guys they will teach you, train you, and after that place you. Okay, and project based learning is also there. Okay, and unlimited job opportunity also available. Okay, because many good and big companies are also hiring through this platform guys. An important date for upcoming cohort is starting from 28th of October this month, so you have time, you can apply as soon as possible for this opportunity. And bootcamp fee will be 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000, and no cost email option is also there. So fee structure guys we will discuss in detail. So let's discuss about the required qualification for this opportunity guys. So any graduate can apply for this opportunity, and batches guys, fresher and experienced both batches can apply for this opportunity. Means below 2023 batches can apply for this opportunity, and there is no any branch and percentage criteria. So if you are from any branches you can apply for this opportunity, and there is no any prerequisite like if you have the knowledge of this programming language or that, then only you can apply for this opportunity. So if you don't have the knowledge of any programming languages, and if you want to start your career in the field of IT company or in the field of data science, then you can join this bootcamp because they will teach you from scratch. Okay, so now let me tell you about the courses, what are the modules you're gonna cover in these 6 months. So you can see the most in demand skill in a single curriculum, and core modules are SQL Foundation, SQL Advanced, Python Foundation, Python Advanced, Static, EDA, Machine Learning, Power BI, Git and GitHub, Generative AI, Hugging Face and Gradio. So these are the skills you're gonna cover in this 6 months. And also guys they will offer to you to work on a project, whatever project currently running on industries. You can see what's a great curriculum without project based learning. So right now 10 plus data science project are running on industries. You can see COVID-19 prediction, credit card approval, hence insurance prediction. So these all projects are running on industry guys. You can see, just scroll right to left and you can see, so they will also offer to you to work on this project. Okay, and in case if you have any doubts and query, you can clear your doubt in live session guys. So you can see clear live doubt session, and they will also guide you how you can present your project. So here are some highlights they have also mentioned. Okay, and they will help you throughout guys. So they have also some additional career services. So you can see power ahead in your career with career services like resume building, mock interview, behavioral skill workshop, online profile buildings, industry interaction, and unlimited job opportunity, because many big and good companies also hiring through this platform. So you can see right now 500 plus hiring partners are there, and companies like Google, TCS, Deloitte, Amazon, so many good and big companies are also hiring through this platform. And right now 485 job opportunity available for our learner this week. So you can see snapshot. So right now guys 485 data science job opportunity available to our learner this week. Okay, and medium package will be 7 LPA and highest package will be 26 LPA. And top job role offered through this platform guys, you can see data analyst, data engineers, data scientist, machine learning engineer, and Power BI developer. So these are the some of the top job role offered through this platform guys. And also many students are getting placed through this platform. So in case if you have any doubts and query, you can directly contact with them on LinkedIn because their LinkedIn profile URL is there. So just click on this one, and after that you will redirect to LinkedIn and you can directly contact with them. Okay, and also guys mentors are already working on industry, so they have better knowledge and skills. They will guide you and teach you in better way. So you can see meet our mentors and speakers. You can see Dr. Mohit Sevak, he is working as a principal applied AI research at Microsoft, and Saurabh Roy, he is working as a data scientist at IBM. So mentors are already working guys, they have better skill and knowledge, they will teach you and guide you in better way. So no need to worry about mentors. So although we have discussed every important highlight except fee structure, so let's discuss about fee structure guys. You can see get started now. So your final fee will be 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000. So your final fee will be around 70,000, and also no cost EMI option is also there for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. And per month guys only 5,500. Okay, and seat reservation fee is only 5,000 plus GST. So no need to worry about fee guys, because this platform is also trusted by many students. So in case if you don't like the courses, refund policies also there, your full fee will be refunded. So you can see, if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within the first 10 days from the start dates, your fee will be fully refunded. An important date guys, upcoming cohort is starting from 28th of October. Okay, and also before applying, don't forget to check all this thing, and after that simply apply for this opportunity. And not everyone gonna shortlist for this opportunity guys, but you can try for this opportunity. And also before applying, don't forget to check FAQ section, because here some general question answer are already done. So you can see how long is the data science courses. You can see 500 hours of learning across 6 months. Okay, so here some general question answer are already done, so you can check out guys, and after simply apply for this opportunity. So how you can apply for this opportunity guys, you can see one right side registration form is there. So just fill your first name, last name, email ID, contact numbers, and select a date. Okay, so 26th or 27th, and book a demo, and after that they will contact you. Okay, so this is how you can apply for this opportunity guys. So if you face any problem, you can do comments, and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in video description. So check description for more information guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you are rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys.